So hello class, my name is Abhishek Biswas and I am an teacher at Key to Success Academy, Nagar, Raipur. And as you know, we have started another series of discussing PYQs from English literature, wherein we are going to take very important works of each and every literary ages and try to discuss the 10 most important PYQs from that foundational texts. Okay, so let us get started. In today's video, we are going to cover the most discussed and most famous William Shakespeare's drama, that is the Hamlet. Okay. In which country is the vast majority of the play Hamlet set? हेमलेट की सेटिंग कहाँ थी? वास्ट जो अधिकतम समय में हेमलेट ड्रामा की सेटिंग किस कंट्री में थी? स्कॉटलैंड, इंग्लैंड, डेनमार्क, वेनिस. The answer is Denmark. The play is set primarily at Elsinore Castle in Denmark. The famous line "Something is rotten in the state of Denmark," uttered by Marcellus. ये भी एक सवाल बनता है ना? Who utters these lines? Highlights the political and moral corruption plaguing the nation. Who are the very first characters to witness the ghost of the late King Hamlet? हेमलेट जो लेट किंग जिनका डेथ हो गया है, जिनका बेटा है जिसका नाम भी हेमलेट है, वो उसके जो पिताजी उसके भूत को कौन सबसे पहले देखता है? हेमलेट एंड होरेशियो, बर्नार्डो एंड मार्सेलस, पोलोनियस एंड लियर्टिस, क्लॉडियस एंड गटरूड. है ना? द आंसर इज बर्नार्डो एंड मार्सेलस. The play opens on the battlement of Elsinore with the guards Bernardo and Marcellus. They have seen the ghost on previous nights and invite Horatio, a scholar and Hamlet's friend, to verify the apparition before they tell Hamlet. According to the ghost, how was King Hamlet truly murdered? By his brother Claudius, stabbed during a stage fencing match, bitten by venomous serpent in the garden, smothered while he slept in his bedchamber, poison poured directly into his ear. The answer is poison poured directly into his ear. What is the alternative title Hamlet gives to the play The Murder of Gonzago when he stages it for Claudius? The Tragedy of King Arthur, the Poisoned Chalice, the Mousetrap, the Spanish Tragedy. The answer is the Mousetrap. Who is hiding behind the tapestry in Queen Gertrude's chamber when Hamlet unexpectedly stabs him? Claudius, Polonius, Leatus, Horatio. The answer is Polonius. Polonius, the king's chief counselor, hides behind the arras to eavesdrop on Hamlet's conversation with his mother. When Gertrude cries out in fear of Hamlet, Polonius calls for help, and Hamlet, thinking it might be Claudius, stabs blindly through the curtain. Why does Hamlet decide not to kill Claudius when he finds him alone and unprotected shortly after the play within a play? The guards suddenly walk in. Hamlet feels a sudden surge of pity for his uncle. Hamlet's sword breaks on his armor. Claudius is praying, and Hamlet fears sending his soul to heaven. The answer is Claudius is praying, and Hamlet fears sending his soul to heaven. हेमलेट को लगा कि अगर मैं उसको प्रेयर करते समय मार दिया तो वो नरक में नहीं जाएगा और बल्कि स्वर्ग में चला जाएगा. In Act 5, Hamlet picks up a skull in graveyard. Who did this skull belong to? King Hamlet, his father, Yorick the king's jester, Polonius, and Fortinbras. किसका स्कल मिला ग्रेवयार्ड में? यॉरिक द किंग्स जेस्टर, जिसको हेमलेट पहचानता था. हाउ डज ओफेलिया, ड्रिवन मैड बाय हर फादर्स डेथ एंड हेमलेट्स रिजेक्शन, ट्रेजिकली मीट हर एंड? ओफेलिया का डेथ कैसे हुआ? She drinks a poisoned cup meant for Hamlet. She falls from a weeping willow tree and drowns in a brook. She hangs herself in her bedchamber. She is accidentally stabbed by Laertes. The answer is she falls from a weeping willow tree and drowns in a brook. डूब के डेथ हुआ था उनका, है ना. बहुत ही फेमस पेंटिंग है ओफेलिया का. During the final fencing match, how is Queen Gertrude killed? She is stabbed by Hamlet in a fit of rage. She drinks from a poisoned cup intended for Hamlet. She throws herself in front of Laertes' sword. Claudius strangles her to keep her quiet. Gertrude, हेमलेट की मदर का डेथ कैसे हुआ था? She drinks from a poisoned cup intended for Hamlet. Claudius prepares a poisoned cup of wine to offer Hamlet during the duel as a backup plan. In a tragic accident, Gertrude drinks from the cup to toast her son's success, directly causing her death. As he lies dying, who does Hamlet declare should be the next king of Denmark? Hamlet जब मर रहा था तब उसने क्या बताया, कौन बनेगा अगला किंग, डेनमार्क का अगला किंग कौन बनेगा? होरेशियो, लिएटस, गिल्डेनस्टर्न और फोर्टिनब्रास. नॉर्वे का किंग बनेगा, डेनमार्क का किंग, है ना. कौन था नॉर्वे का किंग? फोर्टिनब्रास. ठीक है. So that's it about today's class. There are several more PYQs on Hamlet. but I believe these are the most relevant ones which we need to study for our UGC net. And in our next video, again, we are going to take up another very important work and going to discuss the top 10 interviews, top 10 PYQs from that work as well. And if you like the video, do like it on YouTube. If you have any feedback, any doubt, I would love to interact with you in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts or if you have any queries, you will get each and every detail in the description box below. So thank you for your time and have a great day.